Come with me on this vegan food tour in the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. I'm going to show y'all what to get and what not to get. Hey, y'all. Welcome to my D.C. vegan food tour. All right, so come along with me as I check out a couple of vegan spots in the D.C., Maryland area. Today, we are checking in from Doda's Kitchen, which is in Seat Pleasant, Maryland, which is really borderline D.C., Maryland. They got some vegan soul food, so let's come on. Let's see what they got going on. All right, so upon entry, I see this sign. So one half of the building is a food market, and the other side is the kitchen/cafe. I really love the decor. Very fun, very cute. Y'all, this menu is so extensive. You have so many options for vegan soul food. They also have a lot of cake options, y'all. I was in there overwhelmed. He was like, let me get you some samples because you don't really know what you want. So let me get you some samples so you can figure it out. So shout out to the gentleman that was helping us out. Okay, y'all. It's just so much. It's rice, it's beans, it's sweet potatoes, it's vegan ribs, it's vegan lasagna, it's vegan collard greens, it's kale, y'all, it's potato salad, quinoa, chickpeas. So I went with the sweet kale, y'all. This kale was so bomb. And then I got the spinach lasagna. He is hooking up a sister. Look at how big that slice is, y'all. Look at how big that slice is. So that was an entree plate. So that was about $9.30. And then they also have cheesecakes. Can we say variety? You got strawberry, you got cookies and cream. Okay, you got blueberry. Like, that was the spot, y'all. Was the spot. They also had like a sweet potato cheesecake too. Here go my plate, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this spinach is like, look how big that is. Look at that kale. It looks so green and good, y'all. Okay, just a fun fact. Well, before the fun fact, look at my brother's plate. He got like the pepper steak, and then he got the sweet kale too, and then he had rice under his. So, fun fact about me is I used to love lasagna in my pre-vegan days. Like, that was my favorite food, y'all. This spinach lasagna right here snapped. It snapped. So you got your spinach, you got your noodles, you got some sauce, you got like the cheese. It tasted like a cashew creamy type cheese that would sub for ricotta, y'all. I was having a great time eating this. I was so happy, y'all. And this kale was so fresh, very sweet. And it had your peppers, your onions, so it had lots of flavor. So you have some spice and then the sweetness as well. It was just like a great combination. I got to figure out how to make that at home, some sweet kale, because I never thought of that idea. It snapped. And y'all, I was full. I was full. I was maybe halfway done with my plate and I was full. So that serving was like perfect. You can get 2 meals out of this. Now for dessert, I decided to go with the cookies and cream cheesecake. With the Oreo. With the Oreo in it, y'all. I'm telling you, go to DC. Make sure you visit Doda's Kitchen, y'all. So fire. They also have a location in Baltimore. Well, I'm not suggesting you go to Baltimore, but if you are there, go ahead and stop at Doda's Kitchen because you will not regret it. So good. I said, what in the cheesecake is going on here? I said, I ain't had cheesecake in so long. This vegan cheesecake right here, it gave me cheesecake and cookies and cream. It's the 2-for-1 special, y'all. What y'all talking about? All right, y'all. So make sure you hit up Doda's Kitchen. I will definitely be returning. I want to try their General Tso's cauliflower and some mac and cheese and some of their collard greens. So I'll be back. Next, me and my brother went to Sticky Fingers Diner. They do have a bakery, but we went to the diner, which is located on 8th Street in Washington, D.C. All right, upon entry, you are greeted by their sweets. They have brownies, they have cakes, they have cookies, they have donuts. The decor in here is really, really cute. Now, they have an extensive menu. I decided to order off the brunch menu. I did order the seitan and waffles with a side of mac and cheese. Thank you, appreciate it.
Yeah,
that was quick. That was real quick. That's thick. They gave me some extra syrup. Buffalo sauce, need that. Mac and cheese. The girl got the croissant sandwich and Kung Pao Brussels sprouts. All right, let's see what it do.
All right, I just had these Kung Pao Brussels sprouts. These joints is hitting. These are good. I like these Brussels sprouts. They're flavorful. They got good flavor. You know what I'm saying? Got good moisture, texture going on. I like this, man. I can eat this. What's up?
All right, y'all. So here comes the moment of truth of these seitan and waffles. Now, seitan is basically like a fake meat texture that's made out of vital wheat gluten. So it's pretty thick, and that with a waffle, it was a lot. It was a lot of chewing. It was all right. I wouldn't get it again. Then I went ahead and tried the mac and cheese. That was all right too. It wasn't really given, and you could tell it wasn't given because I offered my brother some. That's how you know I didn't really like it. Now, I ate the most that I could, and I took the leftovers to my mom. My brother ate his food too, and it was all right. All right, y'all. Today, we are heading up Pow Pow. They got plant-based bowls. It's a plant-based Asian fusion junk out here on I Street. They have 2 locations in DC. We're at the location on I Street today. So, come on in. Let's see what's cracking. All right, so you walk in, it's a few steps. You see their logo, that's cute. Love the lighting. And then it has like this kind of like industrial, modern feel to it. And we love clear signs. You know where to pick up your food. You know where to get your drinks. You can see the menu on the big screen. All right, y'all, so I ordered a little bit of everything. I kind of went a little bit crazy. I got the chicken fingers in the firecracker sauce. Then I got their Taiwanese fried cashew mozzarella. And my brother, this is his. He ordered the mom style with noodles. Then I got their disco stick egg roll. It's a giant egg roll. Their trolley fries. And for dessert, their chimmy chim pow pow egg roll. Yeah, I went a little hard. I wanted to taste a little bit of everything. So I said, why not? Live a little bit, okay? All right, so starting with these chicken fingers, these firecracker chicken fingers. Baby, I said, what am I eating? I said, this is so good. Like, hold on now. I thought it was chicken for a second. I did, but it's not. And it looks so good. It's fried perfectly, y'all, in the right amount of sauce. And it also comes with a sesame dipping sauce, which was really good, y'all. Like, so I would definitely get these again. No doubt about it. Okay, so moving on to the Taiwanese fried cashew mozzarella. I opened it, I said, all right. Okay, it looks like mozzarella. And I said, okay. I said, this all right. This ain't something I would get again. I get it. That's great. Moving on to the disco stick egg rolls. They're filled with plant-based chicken, carrots, and pineapple, kimchi, and cabbage. They got the egg roll texture down. The outside. Taste of the sauce. Straight. All right, so these trolley fries are topped with kimchi, Korean ketchup, some mayo, cashew cheddar, and scallions. Y'all, these fries were so good. I would definitely get those again. And then I got me a spicy ginger beer because, you know, I like to keep things spicy. Now, to the mom style noodles, okay? So these are filled with plant-based grilled chicken, pineapple, and tons of veggies. It's topped with sriracha cashews, scallions, cilantro, curry sauce, and sriracha. Y'all, that is a combination right there. But these noodles were really good. They were very flavorful. With all them daggone ingredients, they better be. On to dessert. The chimmy pow pow egg roll is a banana stuffed with chocolate spread topped with agave, honey, and sugary Asian spice. Now, these were okay. Personally, I wouldn't get them again. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to my DC vegan food tour. I'm sure I will be back in DC this year and I will show y'all some more good vegan spots. Hey, make sure you subscribe to my channel because the next stop for my vegan food tour is Orlando, Florida. I'm taking y'all all around the nation and we're gonna check out some good vegan food spots. Shoot, I may take y'all all around the world. All right, I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.